Hi guys, for today's video I'm sharing with you just a little minimal workspace makeover. You guys know I'm in the process of moving and I started like tearing my whole apartment apart and packing things, and I realized that I still have a lot of work and things that I need to get done before I move. So I wanted to create a very small, affordable, minimal workspace where I can still get my work done while I'm in the process of moving, and I felt like this would be beneficial to you guys if you need to create a workspace in your home. So I'm super excited because I did partner up with Displate. On today's video, they have these super awesome metal prints that just magnetically attach to the walls. They seriously take just a few minutes to install. You just hold down the magnet onto the wall and then the metal print will attach that way. The one that I'm showing now, I absolutely love it and I'm super excited, and they also sent me a couple more. So when I do my new apartment tour showing you guys where I'm moving, I do have plans to put some of these in the bathroom and then in my new bedroom. So super excited about that. If you guys are interested in these, I would highly recommend them. I will link Displate down below, and let's just jump right into the video. So this is the area that I'm working with. You guys may have seen this before because I had it as like my entryway area, but now that I'm kind of like crunched for space just because I'm moving and I'm going through and organizing everything. So this would also be great if you don't have much space in your apartment or where you live and you still need an area to work. This would work amazing for you because I'm working with a very small area. So now I've added in my kind of little workspace area, and I went with this Ikea laptop table simply because I don't have a desktop, and when you don't have a lot of space, you don't want to go with one of those larger desks. Again, this is also a really affordable piece. It's not like a super expensive $100 desk or anything. I believe that this was $40. It's definitely not more than $50 from Ikea. So I just went with that again because I'm keeping the space very minimal but still wanting somewhere where I can work. And as far as seating goes, all of the desk chairs were extremely pricey, I felt like, and I wanted to go with something a little bit cheaper. Also, I wasn't going to be sitting at this desk for long periods of time. It's just to get simple tasks and work done. So I went with this stool. It's a really nice wooden stool that I got from Ross for $20. I know this might not be super practical for everyone, but if you are looking for a desk chair that's a little bit more inexpensive, I would look at different chairs that you can transform. But for me, a stool was going to be just enough. And to spice it up and make it a little bit more comfortable, I'm just adding one of these little faux fur throws also that you can pick up from Ikea. That's just going to make it softer to sit on. You could even add a cushion, whatever you really want. Another thing that's really great about going with a stool as opposed to an actual chair is you can fully push this under and then you have a ton of space. It's completely flush with the desk, so you're not taking up a ton of space in your area. So my goal with decorating the top is to make it look fun and more like decor as opposed to this is my desk and this is my workspace. So I'm gonna add a few little decor items and knickknacks to kind of disguise that I have to have my printer and my laptop on this table. So the first thing I'm adding is this faux plant that I got from Target. You guys always ask so many questions about it. I have had this for the past 5 years. I've been in my current apartment for 3 years and I've used it a ton, but I even had it at my last apartment and I believe the place I lived at before that. So it is from Target. It's about 6 years old, I would say, and absolutely love it. They have something similar but not exactly the same. However, it's a great piece to have one of their little faux plants. You could do so much with it, so I added that in the corner. Again, thinking outside the box, I needed something to put my pens or pencils in to write with, and I just grabbed one of these cups. They're actually from the bar collection at Target. I just think this looks really chic and modern and looks a lot better than your typical pen or pencil holder, especially when you're trying to create a space like this. So here comes the fun essential items that I personally need in my workspace for this desk to work for me. So I'm just adding this printer. I will say I recently picked it up. It has Bluetooth and it can scan and do a bunch of things. I really love it and I think it works really well with my space. It's super white and minimal, so it doesn't look too much of an eyesore when you have it out in your apartment. And then what I really like about this particular laptop desk is I know you're meant to have your laptop on top of the desk here. However, the laptop that I have fits perfectly right here, so it allows me to have extra space on the top of this particular desktop. And then last but certainly not least is my productivity planner. This has helped me so much, especially now with moving and all of the extra things that I have to get done. Would highly recommend picking one of those up. So this is currently where we're at in setting up the little minimal workspace. I really like the way that it still looks super trendy and minimal, but it's very functional. However, I definitely do think it is missing some sort of artwork. So here is where installing my disc plates are going to come in. I think I'm going to be using just one above the desk, but I will show you all of the different ones that I got. So here is just a look at the different disc plates that I got. These are amazing metal prints. The one on the left is Kate Moss. The one in the middle, I just think the artwork in it is amazing. And then the one on the right is super minimal. So I think the two that are on the right, the black and white ones, will be going in my new bathroom. So you guys are definitely gonna see another video featuring those because I'm going with like a black and white theme in my new bathroom. And I think just to add a little bit of color to this desk space, I'm gonna go with the one on the left, which is the Kate Moss print. So I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to install. Again, showing you just like how easy it's gonna be to hang up. So these are like the little magnet strips. You'll just peel this back off and put it onto the wall and then just attach it like so. Super simple, just peeling off the back here, attaching it to the wall right here, and just apply some pressure and it's like that simple. It just stays onto the wall. Then after that, it's just as simple as adding your little metal print to those magnets and it stays up completely. So this is a quick look at what the disc plate looks like on the wall. I love the fact that it's a metal print, and this one in particular has like a really nice matte finish, which is amazing for me because sometimes when I film with pictures or I take pictures of things, they have this like weird glare, and I don't know, something about the matte finish on this just makes it look so much more expensive to me. So I will have this plate linked down below in case you guys are interested. So here's just another look at the completed workspace here. Again, this was super affordable to create. I just used things that I already had, but if you do need to purchase, everything is very budget friendly. Again, I love creating spaces like this where they serve a purpose, but they also don't look bad, because if I just had to get like a regular plain desk and desk chair, I know I just wouldn't want something like that in my space. So this is the completed TUMBLR desk makeover that I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to check the description box down below. I will have display linked as well as everything that I used in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!